Imagine a car that took the world by storm, not for speed or luxury, but for its ability to defy expectations and grip the road like never before. Back in 1955, France introduced a revolution that wasn't political, but mechanical. A marvel that forever changed how we think about cars. This wasn't just another vehicle. The Citroën DS captured imaginations, and its legend grew with time, challenging everything people knew about comfort, control, and automotive design. Among the DS models, one version still stands out as the ultimate achievement of Citroën's engineering: the DS23 EFI Pallas. This model wasn't only crafted for beauty and handling, it was equipped with technology far beyond its years, making it one of the most advanced cars of its time. If you're into car legends or simply appreciate engineering genius, you're in the right place, because today we're unveiling the story of the legendary Citroën DS23 EFI Pallas, a tech-enhanced masterpiece in every way. The birth of a legend. The Citroën DS23 EFI Pallas, released in 1973, marked the high point of nearly 20 years of Citroën's innovation and design evolution, starting from the debut of the DS series in 1955. The DS series was developed during a period when France was emerging from the impact of World War II, which brought about a strong demand for vehicles that were not only advanced and dependable, but also provided exceptional comfort. Citroën, led by Pierre-Jules Boulanger, sought to create a revolutionary car for the automotive industry. The design was entrusted to the Italian sculptor and industrial designer Flaminio Bertoni and French aeronautical engineer André Lefèbvre. They set out to build a vehicle that combined futuristic styling with advanced technology, which would stand out in terms of both function and appearance. The drive to develop the Citroën DS originated from the need to replace the aging traction Avant, which had been in production since 1934. While the traction Avant was groundbreaking, being among the first mass-produced cars with front-wheel drive, by the early 1950s it was increasingly outdated. Citroën envisioned a successor that would not only take the place of the traction Avant, but also set a new benchmark in automotive design and engineering. The DS series, born from this ambition, included various groundbreaking technologies. Its hydropneumatic suspension system delivered a smooth and stable ride, while inboard front disc brakes enhanced braking efficiency and lowered unsprung weight, boosting overall handling. The hydropneumatic suspension, a major feature of the DS, was engineered by Paul Mages. This suspension combined hydraulic fluid with nitrogen gas, producing a self-leveling system that adjusted to road conditions, offering unmatched comfort and maneuverability. The DS also featured a monocoque body structure with detachable panels, which not only improved aerodynamics, but also facilitated easier and cost-effective repairs. The 1973 DS23 EFI Pallas reached the peak of the DS series. It featured a 2,347 cubic centimeter engine with electronic fuel injection, which improved both its performance and fuel efficiency over earlier versions. A quick favor before we get into engine details. If you like this content, please hit that like button and subscribe. Over 98% of viewers haven't subscribed yet. Imagine the difference it could make if everyone did. It's free and helps us a lot. Thanks for your support. Engine configuration. The DS23 EFI Pallas was a prime example of Citroën's advanced engineering, featuring a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine enhanced by Bosch's electronic fuel injection system. This technology, which allowed the engine to generate 130 brake horsepower at 5,250 revolutions per minute and 195 Nm of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute, marked a notable advancement for Citroën. Compared to its carbureted predecessors, the DS23 benefited from the electronic fuel injection system's ability to boost performance and efficiency, making it a major leap in the car's design. The Bosch electronic fuel injection system provided precise fuel delivery by optimizing the air-fuel mixture, leading to better combustion and resulting in a smooth engine operation. This level of control allowed for an improved throttle response, giving drivers a more refined and enjoyable driving experience. The enhanced fuel efficiency was also an important benefit of this system, especially as concerns about fuel economy were growing during the 1970s. With more efficient fuel consumption, the DS23 addressed the needs of that era's drivers while offering impressive performance. Reliability and ease of maintenance were other priorities in the DS23's engine design. Its four-cylinder configuration and strong engine construction offered durability, making the engine capable of withstanding the demands of everyday use. Citroën's use of high-quality materials and advanced engineering techniques ensured that the engine performed consistently over a long lifespan. These choices gave the DS23 an edge as a dependable vehicle able to deliver on its performance promises while also being robust for daily driving. The DS23 EFI Pallas also incorporated a carefully designed cooling system to handle the heat generated by its higher power output. This system included an efficient radiator and a well-thought-out airflow mechanism to maintain optimal operating temperatures, reducing the risk of overheating and extending the engine's lifespan. Citroën's meticulous attention to detail in the engine's design underscored the company's commitment to innovation, making the DS23 a standout model. A technical marvel. The DS23 EFI Pallas was a true technical marvel of its era, representing advanced engineering that made it stand out from its competitors. This vehicle reached a top speed of 122 miles per hour, highlighting its powerful capabilities on the road and proving its performance was well ahead of its time. With the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10 seconds, the DS23 EFI Pallas offered a thrilling driving experience rarely found in cars of its class. The impressive performance of this car was achieved through the integration of a 5-speed manual gearbox which enabled smooth, responsive power delivery and an efficient transition between speeds. The DS23 EFI Pallas was designed with a front-wheel drive layout, a choice that contributed significantly to its excellent handling and road stability. This setup, combined with the car's curb weight of 1,337 kilograms, provided a balanced and responsive drive, allowing the DS23 EFI Pallas to handle various road conditions effectively. The relatively light weight of the car for its size played an essential role in improving both its performance and fuel efficiency, making it a highly practical choice for drivers who value both power and economy. By prioritizing these elements, Citroën succeeded in creating a vehicle that was both fast and efficient. One of the most notable features of the DS23 EFI Pallas was its advanced suspension system. Citroën incorporated a hydropneumatic suspension, a groundbreaking design that provided passengers with an exceptionally smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. This innovative system automatically adjusted the car's height and ensured a level ride regardless of the load or road conditions, offering unmatched comfort and stability. The suspension absorbed shocks and vibrations effectively, which allowed passengers to experience a serene and comfortable journey throughout their travels. Aesthetic and functional brilliance. The DS23 EFI Pallas, crafted by the famous designer Flaminio Bertoni, was a blend of style and function that left a lasting impression on car enthusiasts. Its sleek, aerodynamic body was a key part of Bertoni's vision, featuring a monocoque structure with bolt-on panels that made repairs and maintenance easier. This design not only strengthened the car's body but also contributed to its futuristic look, a feature that set it apart at the time. A unique aspect of the DS23 EFI Pallas was its use of advanced materials that improved both performance and aesthetics. Its aluminum bonnet, for example, reduced the car's weight and contributed to fuel efficiency. Additionally, the innovative fiberglass roof panel added strength and durability, yet kept the overall weight of the car low. These materials were chosen for their practical benefits and their role in shaping the car's sleek, modern appearance, highlighting Citroën's commitment to advanced automotive design. Inside, the DS23 EFI Pallas delivered a luxurious experience. The Pallas trim level emphasized high-quality details, including leather seats that combined comfort with elegance. Enhanced noise insulation created a quiet interior, offering a serene drive free from external noise. Collectibility and Rarity. The DS23 EFI Pallas was a highly sought-after model among classic car collectors, with its market value reflecting its desirability and rarity. Approximately 1,330,775 units of the Citroën DS series were produced, but the DS23 Pallas stood out as one of the rarest and most valuable versions. Its limited production numbers significantly contributed to its appeal as a collector's item, making it a prized possession for enthusiasts. The value of Citroën DS models has been increasing over the years, demonstrating their growing collectability. Notably, a 1973 DS23 injection electronic decapotable sold for $209,738 at Christie's Retro Mobile Auction in February 2006. This sale highlighted the increasing appreciation for these classic cars and their importance in automotive history. Similarly, another DS23 auctioned by Bonhams in February 2009 fetched $440,436, underscoring the high demand and significant value of these vehicles. When first released, the DS23 EFI Pallas had an approximate price of $5,000. Adjusted for inflation, this initial price underscored the impressive appreciation these cars experienced over the decades. This remarkable rise in market value demonstrated the DS23 EFI Pallas's timeless design and enduring appeal among classic car enthusiasts. The Citroën DS23 EFI Pallas remains an iconic masterpiece, blending innovative technology with luxury and style. Its lasting impact on automotive design is undeniable. What feature of this classic car impresses you most? If you enjoyed the journey, please like, share, and subscribe for more legendary car stories.